Hello, my name is Amanda Blennon from WMCA-TV, and I'm the director of Stop the Noise. Hope you enjoy.
Shortcuts. Short
film. Honey, I'm home. Honey?
Look who finally decided to show up. You know, you get off of work at 10 p.m. Yeah, here you are, waltzing into the house. Hi, honey. At 3 the next day. What's up with that?
Cheating? Just because I'm cheating. I can't stand you when you're drunk. This is why I can never talk to you when you're drunk.
You can't stand me. You can't stand me. I cannot stand you. You know I'm a good cheater.
911, what's the emergency?
Yeah.
Just relax.
My parents are fighting right now.
I'll relax.
I think my mom's gonna seriously hurt my dad. She has
Ma'am, I can't hear you that well. Is there somewhere else you can go to stop the noise being so loud?
Stop the noise. I don't think I can stop the noise. What if she hurts me? I'm scared. My mom's crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. What if she hurts me? Mom, it was just a joke. I'm sorry. Mom, please don't. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I didn't mean it.
Hello? Hello? Ma'am, are you still there? Hello?